website that works after spending so much time just researching and testing a ton of different websites and applications. I have finally found the best one, and a lot of beginners who are struggling and have no experience, no skills whatsoever are going to be so excited as well. So this is perfect. I'm going to show you guys how you can earn $40 every time you spin. Super easy method to do. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure that you type in What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. So today I'm going to show you guys univoxcommunity.com app. Now, as you can see here, take surveys and earn rewards. As soon as you arrive at the page, you're going to be able to do so many things over here, and I'm going to show you a real life demonstration in this video. So you're going to see how you can make money with the software. First things first, you're going to create an account and you're going to join, and right away receive $2 as a sign up bonus. And you're going to go to your app store, the Google Play Store. You're going to download the mobile application. If you visit your Google Play Store, this is the logo, this is the app. If you have an iPhone, obviously the App Store, Univox Community, you're going to download that app for free. And then make sure that you download the correct app on your phone. Just click the join to get $2 button to join up for free and a worldwide account. After that, I'm going to walk you through how you're going to get through this. Now, you have to follow the 3 easy steps. Step 1, sign up for your free account. Step 2, do the surveys. Other than the surveys, there's a lot of more things that you can do. The moment you complete the surveys and the other tasks on this website, step number 3, earn your rewards and points and convert it into real cash. So you're going to fill out the form, okay, to get instant access by clicking sign up now over here. You're going to enter in your first and your last name, your gender, your email address. It's very important that you verify your email the moment you complete and create a free account. Make sure that you enter in your right email address and a working one, your password, your birthday, and then make sure all of the information is correct, including your zip code and address. And then choose your country, and people from all over the world again are welcome to use this strategy. And then you're going to enter in the captcha to make sure you're not a robot. You're going to sign up. It's super easy, super quick. As soon as you have a free account, again, make sure to verify your email address. And then once you're done, you can log in, and the moment you're logged in, you should see something like this with your username at the very top. First trick that I have for you, and a tip and a suggestion, is that every day when you go into your account, you're gonna find you have one free spin. I want you to click on this, and it's gonna take you to the page where you can spin the wheel to earn more points and free money. Now, all you have to do is log into your account every day, spin for free, and win a chance to receive 100, 200, 500, and even 1,000 points. 100 points is equal to $1. Okay, so by just spinning the free wheel and earning 1,000 points, you're gonna right away receive $10 for completely free. And as you can see, only one spin per day is free or permitted. Therefore, you can begin spinning by clicking the spin button. And as you can see, congratulations, you won this much points. To get these points, you have to complete 2 surveys within 24 hours. So another thing that you have to remember is that after selecting a free spin, you must proceed and do what they're tasking you to do to earn the amount of money they promised you. If you guys want to know you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you go ahead and check out the description box down below. We have something very special for you guys there that will do just that. So make sure you check the description box down below. And also, why don't you leave a comment about where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid. PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. So good luck earning 1,000 points, because doing so will actually earn you $10 for free, which is pretty easy money, and it won't require any effort at all. So to be able to receive $2.50 in free money, you're going to have to complete 2 surveys within 24 hours. So as soon as you received your free spin, I want you to go ahead, click on My Surveys, which is then going to take you to this page. There are a ton of different surveys that you can take, and keep in mind that to claim extra money from this website, you have to finish 2 surveys or whatever they're asking you to do, and you have to do that in the next 24 hours. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is click on Sort By. Make sure you select Points High to Low, since obviously the filter is going to show you the surveys with the highest points offered. Now, as you can see on top of the surveys are accessible via PC, tablet, and mobile devices even. It means that these surveys are super easy, super simple to actually complete. You can do them on your phone, computer, any device that is available to you. To complete these surveys, all you need to do is click the Take Surveys button, and as you can see, you can now begin a survey with a very simple, basic question. Okay? Now, consider the question, what is your current employment status? And after that, you're going to choose these choices or whatever the question is. You're going to press the Save button, and I'm going to give you another additional tip, which is going to increase your online income. You go to your username, click on account. After that, you're going to be taken to this page. You're going to select on communication preference, like instructed. Then you're going to choose this button right here. Click on it and make sure it's 5 or more. That's selected. For the email, this is important since they will give you 5 or more invites every single day through email, which means you're going to receive more extra high-paying service and easier jobs to complete to be able to earn some more money. Now, every time you're able to check in, you can also get free spins on top of that. So once you've selected 5 or more, be sure to click on the Save button. Now, I want you to click on this Wall of Fame when you log into your account. Now, this is the Wall of Fame. And when you access this, the daily leaderboard will be shown to you. You're going to see other people who have actively been earning money online right now. We're going to look at your engagement score, which is currently at this for now for the person in the first rank and the person in the second rank. This is their score. You can make even more money on this website when you have a better engagement score, so you can get the engagement score in this way. For example, if you do 10 surveys in a row, you're gonna get 2 engagement scores. And again, if you recommend others to this website, that's another 20 engagement scores. So there are many things that you can do to be able to raise your engagement score, and the better your score, the more extra points you can actually earn on this daily leaderboard. And you have to remember that more points equal more money. So I'm going to show you how we can send more people to this website. So you can get paid $1 for every new sign up that you are able to refer when you choose to click the Refer Friend button. You're going to be able to continue to receive an additional 20 points for your engagement, and like before, the higher your score, the more money you're going to make. So all you need to do is enter in your friend's email or email here and press the Submit button. When your friend signs up, this website is automatically going to send them an email, and you're going to receive $1 for completely free. Now, the second option for you is to simply copy this unique referral link. Click on this button to copy the entire link, which you can then share to others to be able to start earning extra money. So let me show you this website, Unibox Forum. Right now on this forum, you're going to be able to get a ton of members to join your team, which is going to give you $1 and an additional 20 points for every new member that you're able to get. Now, the best part of this is that you can get more free spins that you can use every day, and can earn you up to $10 for every single spin. So you can share your referral link on this website and join the community and forum. All you have to do is create an account, obviously fill up all of the details being asked of you. It's a super easy way to receive free referrals from all over the world. And the last tip that I have for you that you can help make 10 times more money is when you click on the profile surveys over here, you're going to be taken to this website where it's going to show you how to get more higher paying surveys. And there are some surveys that will only pay $1 or $2, but you can make even twice and even thrice as much money, even up to 5 times by completing surveys that will pay you $10 to $15. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that I'm showing you so far, make sure to show your love and support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and commenting about absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit that notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. Now let's continue. Now, you need to complete the profile surveys to be able to receive high-paying surveys. As you can see, there are 6 main categories included: profile, automobile, food, health, shopping, and technology. Now, there are a few questions for the single category over here. You're going to respond to these. For example, this one, and all you need to do is click the answer that you want, and then you're going to answer the question after that. And for example, whatever I'm doing, obviously I can just do this. Now, the final response, this one, so whatever, you already know how to answer questions. Basically, you just have to take these surveys, answer the questions, and just do as many surveys as you can. And that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.